What's up, guys? Welcome back to So Many Parks, So Little Time, or as I like to call it, Small Prince Loft. So today is going to be a fun one. We are at Busch Gardens Tampa in Tampa, Florida. And check it out, you may recognize him from the Hollywood Nights and Keys to the Kingdom video. It's Hayden from Coaster Clubs Unite.
How's everyone doing this morning?
Woo! So we are at the park today, and we are here for something big. Very, very big. Very boisterous. It is the Food and Wine Festival. Yeah, at this present time right now, Iron Gwazi is not open. Velocicoaster has an opening date, but hopefully we'll get one for Iron Gwazi pretty soon. In the meantime, though, this park still has one of the best roller coaster lineups in the United States. It's home to Montu, which is my favorite inverted roller coaster in the world, Kumba, one of the original B&M coasters, Cheetah, the first dive coaster in the US, Cheetah Hunt, just an overall fun roller coaster, and just being here is just, it's going to be so fun, even with Iron Gwazi not open. So yeah, let's pass through these gates and meet some animals and ride some roller coasters. That's a great view of Iron Gwazi. So Cheetah Hunt is awesome as always. It's an incredibly smooth, not a forceful layout, but you know, still a lot of fun elements thrown at you in rapid succession. It's got a little bit of everything, and that's really what makes it such a great ride. Slide to the left.
Slide to the left now.
Hey, leave them up. That was a fun ride. Let's go, guys. So we moved in the Y direction, the X direction. Now we're going in the Z direction.
Yeah, go, baby!
The darkness awakens.
To the right. Oh, wow.
Wow!
That's impressive.
Unleash the curse upon these mortals now.
Oh! Whoa! Reverse! Oh no. All right. Slide to the right. Everybody clap your hands.
Make sure you keep all body parts remain inside the train at all times. Make sure the small trailer sit in the middle of the road. Make sure those masks on it all the way up.
Dude, Montu is so good. It was my favorite inverted roller coaster before, and it's still my favorite inverted roller coaster now. It just packs on the powerful forces. It's a very, very long roller coaster. It's got a conventional layout, but throws in surprises like the Batwing element and just the amount of kick that the roll has to it. Iron Gwazi is undoubtedly going to be fantastic, but Montu is still the star of the park for me, at least for now.
I like Montu a lot. It has the old force of the old B&Ms, and it has an amazing layout, almost on par with Banshee. Almost.
Oh my god, Montu is best here at this park, inverted coaster wise.
I got a full train and I didn't hear nothing. If you're brave enough, go try it out. That's the reason I call it. There's a mask on your face. I know you don't want to wear them. I do not want to wear my mask too. I've been wearing mine since 11 o'clock this morning. With my figure out a heart shape nose. Now on the left side of the train are the wildebeest. The wildebeest, when they have a baby, that baby can keep up with their family 3 to 7 minutes after they're born. Man, that rhino is really close to the train right now. Both sides of the train, the wildebeest. Keep looking at 7 minutes after they're born. Imagine you have a baby and your baby can't walk 3 to 7 minutes after they're born. You're gonna start screaming at the hospital. That's how the wildebeest know that's their baby. Their baby can't walk 3 to 7 minutes after they're born.
So it's currently raining. This was not in the forecast, but it's Florida. You can never really predict the weather here. So yeah, everything is shut down now, but you know what? The park is actually clearing out, and if the weather forecast remains true, then it might actually clear up in the final hour of the park. We'll see what happens. This could actually turn out to be a blessing in disguise. But for now, we're seeking shelter and just waiting for this to blow over. On the plus side, it is no longer very hot anymore. So it's just after 7, and the midway is empty. The rain has just about stopped. We'll see how long it stays stopped for, but rides are now dry cycling, so we're going to continue on with our plan. And who knows, this may actually turn out to be a really eventful 3 hours. Oh, you look at that. That's the ground right there. Oh, boy.
This one's not tight enough.
Oh, that is cool. That is so cool.
Yeah, cool for shit. I think Nico's good, but I like the 9-row training car.
Yeah.
We got
There he goes. I can take over if you want. Strength. for Tigris?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that looks cool. Oh, here we go. Oh man. Ah, these things are fun. Woo! Oh good, it stopped raining. So this won't hurt as much.
That's gravity group, isn't it?
Yeah.
I like, you guys need to go a fun spot, man.
So I did not get to enjoy the full festivities of Food and Wine Festival, but I did get this really good chocolate thrill shake. Oh, so what a roller coaster of a day it's been. We've had long lines, short lines, hot weather, cold weather, dry weather, wet weather. It's been an absolute wild one, and I had fun every step of the way. Busch Gardens Tampa continues to be one of my favorite parks of all time. It is up there with Busch Gardens Williamsburg as one of the most beautiful, and with the animal encounters that they have here, one of the most strong cases of the type of park that it is going for. And take note, this is before Iron Gwazi opens. So imagine just how good this place is going to be once it does open. So while I do look forward to that day, today was a fantastic day. Our group sort of came together very last minute, but we all had a ton of fun. We made new friends, new memories, and yeah, this is one for the books. So that is going to do it for this video. Thank you, Matt, Ari, and Mike for hanging out with me. Thank you for Hayden of Coaster Clubs Unite for hanging out. And thank you, the viewer, for watching. I'll see you in the next one. We'll see which park we're at. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.